In this video, we're going to show you how to use the search feature. The search bar has two distinct functions. 1. Quick link, and 2. Select box. The quick link and the select box behave differently depending on where you are in the app, whether on the dashboard, viewing graphs, or objectives. We'll demonstrate this as we show you how to use the search bar to find anything, including 1. Members and posts, 2. Graphs and graph groups, 3. Objectives, 4. Your missing car keys. Let's dive in. Finding a member is easy. From anywhere in Envisage, select the search bar and type the name of the member. Instantly, you'll see some results. Use the quick link to view the member by clicking on their name. This will highlight their post on the org chart and display all of their relevant details with quick access to their graphs, objectives, and even their seniors and juniors. The select box behaves differently depending on where you are. For example, using the select box in Graphs or Org Chart provides the option to open graphs for that member. If selecting via data entry, you have the option to add that member's graphs for data entry. And finally, selecting from the dashboard provides the option to add that member's graphs to your dashboard. Now let's move on to finding graphs. Again, simply type the name of the graph you are looking for. Both graph groups and graphs appear. The quick link instantly takes you to the graphs page and displays the graph. Or if you click on a group, the entire group of graphs. The select box via dashboard or data entry will give you the option to add the graphs to that view. To find objectives for an individual member, as we demonstrated earlier, search for the member and use the quick link to find them on the org chart and view their objectives in the sidebar. If, however, you're in the objectives view and you want to see all objectives for a certain member, you can do so using the search bar. First, make sure you're in the objectives view. Then type the name in the search bar. Use the select box and click on Open Objectives. Voila! All objectives will load. Notice also this button, Cancel Member Search, will appear. This means you are filtering the objectives view for a certain member. To view all objectives, simply click on the button to remove the member search. Or if you want to view a different member's objectives, no need to cancel the current member search. Just repeat the initial process and search for the other member. Finally, we come to the most important feature of all, how to find your missing car keys. First, type your name in the search bar and click on your quick link. This should take you to the org chart where you can find the name of your personal assistant and assign them the task of finding your keys. If you don't have a personal assistant, or worse, you don't have an org chart, well, no wonder you lost your keys. In that case, reach out to support and we'll help fully onboard you and your team to get the most out of Envisage and help your business grow. Remember, you can always search our comprehensive help docs for more information. Links in the description below.